Hi guys! Aniq here.
Ali here.
Welcome to
K2M
Unboxing and Reviews. So today we're going to be unboxing some headphones, and these headphones are the Sony WH-1000XM3.
So that is a complicated name and
horrible name, very bad.
Yep. So this is the front box of it. The back box of it. So let's start from the front. So it says Bluetooth 30 hours and high res audio. Google Assistant. Alexa is built in with it.
So all these have all these features. It has 30-hour battery life, so you can use it for a long time. These also have active noise cancellation, and they look good from the box, you can see. So let's go to the back. So over here on the back, you can see over here there's gestures. So if you, on the right earpiece, if you go like 2 forward, it moves it forward. 2 back, it moves it back. Back like a list or playlist or something like that. And then down is volume down, up volume up, and then there's call, pause, and record. So those are the things. So here you can see the back.
And it's compatible with iPhone, iPod, and Android.
So it's compatible with iOS and Android. So yeah. So now let's get unboxing. Okay, so there we are. So first thing that comes up, it says easy setup. Download the app. It shows the setup, and then it's a flap. Oh wow.
Oh, wow.
So over here we have the things in it, but we'll get to that after we get what's in here. So let's put that over there on the side for now.
Let's put this thing over here.
So we might need to use that easy setup thing. So let me just take these out and let's see what's in here.
So this is a Sony limited warranty. So it comes with a 1-year warranty, US and Canada only. It only comes in if you buy it in the US or Canada, and it's only 1 year. So that's nice to have for these headphones. And
okay, so over here in my hand, I have a Google Assistant thing, and it's talking about how to get Google Assistant. So I don't get how this is gonna work. So it's Apple, download, and then just Google Assistant.
so this is how the gestures work, and it's a pretty big paper. So these are the gestures, and tells you a lot about. This is it says wireless noise cancelling stereo headphones.
So this is technically just like information about it, manual. So
this
let's
is
put all of these on the side and open this up. So on the case here, it's a hard case. It has this thing here, bronze over here, and pouch over here. So let's open it. And there we are. So here is the phone, headphones over here. So over here, there's also this. It's a
adapter, because when you go on a plane, if you want to listen from the stereo that's on the seat, it's an adapter for it, because in some planes there's 2 of these, and then you can't plug it in.
And here's a wire you can put in these things, so then it just so then you can put it like make it wired. And over here is a little charger, a little USB-C charger. And so over here are the Sony headphones. Here they are. You can okay.
So there's Chrome.
So over here are the microphones. They look like USB-C ports, but the real USB-C port is over here. And these have active noise cancellation, so then you can like
when you're on a plane, you won't hear all the noise, or on a train.
Yeah, and they have 30 hours of battery life, like we said before. So over here we have the headphones, and over here there's the button for ambient and noise cancellation, and the power button, USB-C, and the jack.
So
when you wear them and you press the noise cancellation button, so right now it's on the ambient mode is turned off, so it's taking in the noise from the outside from the speakers, and then bringing it to me so that I can hear outside. So now, whenever you click the button, it says what mode you're on. So I just clicked the button and it turned off ambient mode, and it's just like normal with just these things on. And now I'm gonna press it, and then it's gonna turn on noise cancellation. So Ali, can you say something?
Well,
so now it's like I can hear things clearer from this because there's no outside sound coming in, and it just like it kind of blurs out in a way. So yeah. So now we have this over here. We have this iPhone, and now we're gonna turn it on. Okay. So over here, you have to download this app. It's Sony Connect. So I'm just gonna start. I'm pretty sure it's on noise cancellation mode.
so as I said, it feels a whole different way if you try it for the first time. So right now, when I tried it, I couldn't hear him when he was speaking in a low voice.
Okay.
So it says the WH-1000XM on top.
So Ali, do you want to try?
Yeah, I want to try too.
So right now, ambient sound is on, and Ali's gonna try. So those headphones, they're actually very nice. They're very comfy on your ears, and also that also the noise cancellation, it works really well, and also the gestures on the touchpad, they also work very well. So Ali, how's the noise?
Pretty nice. It's pretty clear.
So
no buffering. So let me put noise cancellation.
So let's just like, so over here are the headphones. These are very nice. So, and these are like $250, I think, right? So
yeah.
For that price, you're actually getting something pretty decent because it's like, it actually works very well. So here they are. You guys can see them once more. So we like them a lot. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel.
Please like this video.
And remember to hit the bell icon. Bye.
Bye.